country. All Indians, sir. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity. Alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind. And today's news bulletin is brought to you by Junior 10 Topaz. International and national news is brought to you by B. Paltra. International news. Trump wants to end Russia-Ukraine war for once and for all. Marco Rubio. And national news. Chief Justice of India, Surya Kant, said that quality of goals, hard work, determination are essential for success in life. Thank you and have a nice day ahead. Hey everyone, this is Srijaya from Junior 10 Topaz. Today's sports news. Yesterday match India versus Pakistan. India won by 61 runs against Pakistan and Ishan Kishan did a wonderful half century against Pakistan. Thank you. This weather report is brought to you by Viharina Faith in Junior 10 Topaz. Temperature 25 degrees Celsius, humidity 51%, wind speed 5 km per hour, air quality is good and it is going to be mostly sunny. That's the end of today's news bulletin. Thank you and have a great day. Today's thought is brought to you by Sri Shloka from Grade 9 Topaz. Thought. Society is like a large piece of frozen water and skating well is the great art of social life. I repeat my thought. Society is like a large piece of frozen water and skating well is the great art of social life. Thank you. Have a great day. Everyone, I am Shaili of Grade 9 Topaz. I am here to tell the word. And the word is gregarious, meaning sociable. Friends, please spell after me. Gregarious. G-R-E. G-A-R-I-O-U-S. Gregarious. It means sociable. Thank you and have a great day. Good morning everyone. This is Saryu of Junior 10 Topaz. Today I stand before you to speak about a subject that is not only in our textbooks but in our daily lives. That is social. Many people think that social is only about memorizing dates, maths and long answers. But in reality, social teaches us something much bigger. It teaches us how to become a responsible citizen and a great human beings. From history, we can learn about the great sacrifices of our leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, who showed us the power of truth and unity. From civics, we can learn about our rights and responsibilities as Indian citizens. From geography, we can understand the importance of protecting our environment. And economics explains us how money, resources and opportunities shape our lives. So let us always remember that when we study social, we are not just learning about the past. We are preparing to shape the future. So don't just study social for marks. Study social to understand our society, to respect our culture, and to build a bright future. Let us promise today that we will not just study about the change, we will become the change. Thank you. Have a marvelous Monday ahead.
This conversation is brought to you by Sasha and Lakshmi Prasanna from Junior 10 Topaz.
Hey Prasanna, how are you?
I'm good, Sasra. How about you?
I'm great, Prasanna.
Sasra, can I ask you something?
Yes, Prasanna.
Be a little loud and confident.
Sasra, which relationship do you think?
Ma'am, be a little loud and confident.
Sasra, which relationship do you think is the most precious one in student's life?
Isn't it friendship, Prasanna?
Yes, Sasra, that's true. It's friendship. Being a student, in our life, we don't choose our parents, siblings or family. We choose only one thing, that is friendship.
Yes, you are absolutely right, Prasanna. But what do you think about friendship? Is it all about sharing secrets and sitting each other and making fun?
No, Sasra. Friendship is not just about sharing and making fun of everything. It's all about sharing dreams, values and goals.
Yes, Prasanna, friend helps us to grow in a better human being. They correct our mistakes and guide us towards the right path.
Sometimes in friendship we may have some small misunderstanding, but the true ones always chooses forgiveness over ego.
Yes, that is very important in friendship because sometimes even small conflicts may break our true bond.
So, we may have many friends in our life, but the true ones always stays with us and guides us in every moment.
You know something, Prasanna? Friendship multiplies the good of life and divides evil when we choose the right person in our life.
That is absolutely correct, Sasra. So let us all choose the right person. So let us all choose the right person in our life, and let us all be thankful for their presence in our life.
Yes, Prasanna, let's be thankful for their presence in our life. Life becomes brighter and happier with the true friends by our side. So, friends, let us all remember this. One best book is equal to 100 good friends, but one good friend is equal to a library. Thank you. Have a wonderful day ahead.